Speak right and sound English.
Hello, welcome to yet another edition of Speak Right and Sound English. My name is Abigail Onyebefi. As you already know, this is a program where you learn to speak right, sound English, and become confident and entertaining public speakers. Today in the program, we will be considering the English Plural Morpheme. The English plural morpheme of Marquarese is letters. Did you know? The plural Marquarese has three sound variants. They are 1. S, 2. Z, and 3. Is. It's important to know when the plural Marquarese makes these different sounds in words. Now, listen to the pronunciation of these words.
1. Book, books.
Here, the plural Marquarese is realized as s, which is voiceless.
2. Cards, cards.
Here, the s is realized as z, which is voiced.
3. Bus, buses.
And here, the plural marker becomes is, which is a plus voiced. As you can see, the final sound in all three words is different. The difference is found in what is generally called voice assimilation. Remember, s is the voiceless sound of the plural Marquarese. And so, the plural Marquarese is realized as s when it follows voiceless consonants such as p, t, and n. So you pronounce the plural Marquarese as s in the following words. Listen and repeat.
After voiceless consonants. 1. Heaps. 2. Cats. 3. Thanks. 4. Rats. 5. Cuffs.
Z is the voiced sound of the plural Marquarese. When the plural Marquarese is after a voiced consonant, such as b, d, g, v, l, and n, it's realized as z. So you pronounce the plural Marquarese as z in the following words. Again, listen and repeat.
After voiced consonants. 1. Hands. 2. Bags. 3. Girls. 4. Caves. 5. Raves.
Please note that the plural Marquarese is also realized as z when it follows a vowel sound at the end of a word. Pronounce the plural Marquarese as z in the following words. Listen and repeat.
After a vowel sound at the end of a word. 1. Boys. 2. Teachers. 3. Doctors. 4. Prayers. 5. Leaders.
The plural Marquarese is realized as is when it follows consonants ch, j, s, and n. Pronounce the plural Marquarese as is in the following words. Listen and repeat.
after a class of sounds called sibilants. 1. Churches. 2. Badges. 3. Chances. 4. Judges. 5. Preaches.
As you've seen, is occurs in nouns ending in ch, s, and n. These belong to a natural class of sounds called sibilants. S occurs following all other voiceless consonants, and z occurs following all other voiced consonants and after a vowel sound at the end of a word.
Your accent is your asset.